Hello friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you're fine now. In this video I will show you the live price prediction, the live price change occur in the Wing crypto, and what's the high price of Wing I will show you in this video. So before starting this brand video, this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies markets. Now let's see the price prediction of Wing crypto. What's the price change occur in the Wing? Let's see on the screen. Let's see as you can see on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the link and of the previous last 1 hour you are watching now. So friends, absolutely congratulations to all Wing holders. As you can see here, the last 1 hour changes is about positive 4.66% change occur in the Wing crypto in the previous last 1 hour. Absolutely good change, and the high price of Wing is about $0.002894 is the high price of Wing crypto. Absolutely good change occur in the Wing crypto. So my suggestion for all of Wing holders to hold it with the end of this month. And if you want to buy a Wing crypto, so it's a really big opportunity for all of you. Buy a Wing crypto and make a good amount of profit. As you can see here, let's see the chart analysis of the Wing crypto. As you can see here, at the start of this month they are at this position, at a very low position, but and they take a jump, as you can see here in the last 1 hour. In the previous last, currently they are also in the jumping, maybe they goes upward more and more. So wait for the best time, and now it's the best time to buy a Wing crypto and make a good amount of profit. Now let's see the price prediction. The price change occur in the Wing in the previous last 2 hour. Oh my god, it's absolutely good news, absolutely good news. As you can see here, the average change of Wing in the previous last 2 hour is about positive 19.69% change occur in the Wing crypto, Wing coin in the last 2 hour. And the high price of Wing in the last 2 hour is about $0.002894. Absolutely good amount. And friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Wing crypto, so the chart tells us continuously that's it's a continuously period of the Wing coin to jumping upward. It's a time of the Wing crypto holders, so who celebrated Wing holders. As you can see here, they goes up. So friends, remember to hold your Wing crypto with the end of this month, because April is a Wing month. Wait for their best time, and soon they take a high pump. So wait for their high pump, and hold your Wing crypto with the end of this month. That's my suggestion for all of Wing holders. What's your opinion about Wing coin? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, because ABS Tech channel give updates to every hour by new cryptocurrency markets.